original owner of it?
Yeah.
Do you know I was born in 1978? So this car is 10 years older than me.
Yeah. Yeah.
So you've had it ever since 68?
No.
Oh, so you're not the original owner then? Oh, okay. Okay.
I ain't that old yet.
Sorry. How many years have you owned this vehicle?
2 years.
2 years.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have any other classic cars?
Yeah, I've got a 67 C10 and 69 C10.
Okay. And so do you really, obviously you have a passion for classic cars that you got into this.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Okay, that sounds good. So is there anything that you want to point out to me about it? Anything extra special about it?
It's just an old Volkswagen.
Okay. And what is your name?
Johnny.
Johnny, and you're from here in Cadiz?
Yep.
We'll look for you and your car on Big Belly Rebuilds, okay?
All right, thank you.
And thank you.